Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we are going to make letter I. It is very easy to make, only one row, and we are going to use 3mm crochet hook, some double knit yarn and scissors. If you are going to use the same materials, the size of finished letter I will be 6.5 centimeters. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. On the description below you can find a link to my blog where you're gonna find written pattern for this letter and all other remaining letters. So let's start making this very easy crochet letter I. We are going to start with chain of 14 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We started with chain of 14 stitches, and our letter I will consist only out of one row. We're going to start from the third chain and we're going to do double crochet in next 12 stitches. Let's do our double crochets. And literally our crochet letter I is almost complete. Just going to put yarn off with our scissors and finish it off, and that our crochet letter I is done. If you're going to attach this letter to your project, leave a long tail for sewing, but I am not attaching it anywhere. It's a bit curly, but easy, can be straightened off. As you see, this crochet letter I was very easy to make and perfect pattern for the beginner. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. On the description below you can find a link to my blog where you can find written pattern for this letter and all remaining letters. As well, you can find more free and fun patterns. If you would like to buy me a coffee, on the description below you can choose that option. And I am going to see you in my next videos.